everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Elizabeth with theroadtomakingmoremoney.com, and on my channel here I like to discuss ways to make more money online, specifically with entrepreneurship and affiliate marketing. And so in this video I'm going to be talking about the process of affiliate marketing, how it works, and whether or not you can make money with it. I'm also going to be giving you some examples of ways that I do affiliate marketing via one of my websites, okay? So before we get too far into this, I want to start by defining what affiliate marketing really is, for those people who may not be too clear on what it is, and just to give a little bit more of context to the video. So let's just go over that real quickly. So affiliate marketing is basically the process of promoting other people's products online. And in return, the companies that are selling these products give the affiliate a commission for each product sold. In a way, you can think of it like this. Think of it like an advertising technique that companies are using. So, for example, the way that companies allow retail stores, like a grocery store, to stock their products on the shelves, in the same way, they are allowing affiliate marketers to, quote, stock products via their blog post and affiliate links online. So it's like an online store, not really a store, but it's just a way of getting their products out there to more people. So that's essentially what affiliate marketing is, promoting products or services that someone else owns and getting paid a commission when a customer purchases that product. Okay, so now let's just talk about the logistics of how it actually works. There are several ways that affiliates can promote products, through product reviews, blog posts, email lists, and even through things like video like this, like YouTube. I'm going to quickly show you some examples from one of my websites. I have several websites, but one of them that I started a long time ago was one that has to do with camping and survival, outdoor activity kind of things. So it's called the Texas Camping Girl, and this is it right here. This is my homepage, and I'm going to bring you down to one of my posts down here. And remember, I told you that you can promote products through product reviews, and this is what I'm talking about right here. This post, the best camping stoves of 2017. Obviously, I wrote that last year, but it still applies. So let's go to that one. And in this blog post, I'm basically going through and listing and talking about different types of camping stoves. So I basically just written a review. Well, it's a compilation of reviews, I should say. So here I've got the best backpacking stoves, and I list a few. And then I've got the best 2-burner camping stoves, and I list them. And as you can see in each listing, I have a price point, I have a picture, and I have some specs on the particular stove. And then also have a little description down here at the bottom. Okay, and I just list about 2 to 3 in each one. The best electric stoves, best wood camping stoves. And so what I want to show you real quick is how I've put my affiliate links in here. So someone that's trying to find the perfect camping stove for them, maybe they have a small family and they don't need a huge contraption, or maybe they're going backpacking and they need a specific backpacking stove. This is going to help them kind of figure out which one's best for them, and they can make a decision to purchase. Now here, if someone decided that this is the one they wanted, or they wanted to look into it more, I have my link is embedded here within this picture, and then also here at the price point. And so if they click on that price point, it's going to bring them to the REI website, okay, which, I'll get rid of that, which I'm an affiliate of. I've partnered with them, and I'm an affiliate of REI. And so when I bring someone here to this page, by the fact clicked this link, they're going to be able to purchase this product. They can add it to the cart, whatever they want to do, and they can even purchase other products if they want. But I'm going to get the commission on this $349 when they purchase the product. And that's how simple it is. That's basically the process in a nutshell. Okay? And I'm going to touch a little bit more on the fact that almost every major brand and company has an affiliate program. I'll show you here on REI's site. If you go all the way down to the bottom of most sites, here within the menu at this bottom, as you can see, it says affiliate program. And all you do is click, and it brings you to the specifics of the program, how to apply, and all that good stuff. And I'm telling you, every major brand has an affiliate program. Walmart, Nike, Target, anything you can think of. So back here on this original post that I was showing you, I'm also going to show you another affiliate program, which is Amazon. Amazon is huge. Almost everything you could ever think of or ever want to buy is on Amazon. I'm sure you've probably purchased something from Amazon at some point in your life, or at least you know somebody who has. And so it actually has an affiliate program. So I'm going to show you here. This stove right here, I believe, is on Amazon. And so when I hit the Buy Here button, as you can see, I'm on the Amazon site. And once again, this is my affiliate link. So the person that clicks on that button is going to be coming to Amazon via my link. And so anything that they purchase, if they decide not to purchase this stove, and they get to looking around, so maybe they go down here and they see, oh, I like that stove better, or look at that one. Does not matter. With Amazon, as long as they came through your link originally, then you will get the credit and the commission for anything they buy. Okay, I've had this happen before. I had someone come to my site, and I believe he purchased whatever my link was. I can't even remember what it was for. Maybe some freeze-dried food, like the MREs. And then he went on to purchase like 4 other things because he was on Amazon. You know how you do. You go on Amazon, you're like, oh, you know what else I need? I need this. And the other things he bought had nothing to do. I wasn't really selling them, but I got the commission for all of that. So that's the wonderful thing I love about Amazon. It doesn't matter what they buy. If you send them to this link and they decide they wanted something else, you're going to get the credit for it. So that's pretty awesome. Okay, I'm going to show you one more example from my site. And in this example, this is, I showed you the compilation. This one I'm going to show you, this is just a single review. Okay? So this is just on one product. This is has to do with backpacking or freeze-dried foods. And it's this one particular product right here that's offered by Wise Company. And so as you can see, I just created a review here. I list the product. I talk about it. Here's my review. Now in reviews, I suggest that you give as much detail as you can, but then also do your own personal review. And in this case, we actually went camping on the beach here. You can see this is our stove setup. And ended up cooking this meal and tested it out. And in here I describe how it tastes, the texture and all that stuff. And really gave a personal account of using this product. And then I also include some details like the ingredients, the nutritional info, so on and so forth. Listing the pros and cons. That's how simple a review can be. You don't have to go like crazy. Just, create a simple review and then have the links in the review somewhere. I usually like to put them at the bottom, sometimes once in the middle, And up at the top, when I'm doing a single review like this, I usually just go ahead and put it right here. And so that's it. That's a single review. And the one other thing I want to show you is subscription boxes, okay? So here's the Karen subscription box, which is basically an outdoor activity. It's along the same lines. It goes with my niche. And the Karen subscription box is something that you sign up for monthly, and it comes to your door. I mean, I know you probably know what subscription boxes are. Subscription boxes are all the rage right now. Everybody loves them. There's a great thing to get it on your website, and they have subscription boxes for everything. I mean, so here I just talk about that subscription box, what comes in it, what you can expect. Once again, I have my link. So that, in a nutshell, is how you get paid, or how you, I guess, promote other people's products. And these are not my products, okay? I don't have to have inventory. I don't have to worry about shipping. I don't have to create invoices for people. I just simply promote the products on my site, include a link, and when someone goes off to and it follows that link, if someone goes and purchases that product, I get paid. Now, is this a simple process? No. And can you make money with it? Absolutely. But there's actually two sides to that coin. People always ask, can you make money with affiliate marketing? Can you really do it? Well, yes, you can. But then also, no, you can't. So, yes, you can if you do it the right way, and if you put in the work, and, if you create content, you have to constantly be creating content. And that might be a blog post. That might be in the form of like an email newsletter, or creating videos. But you have to constantly be working, especially in the beginning. That's the most crucial part. But there's a lot more involved. It's not just so simple as throwing your affiliate link around. That's where you're not going to make money. That's where the answer to that question is going to be no. You're not going to make a lot of money by just taking what I call the lazy man's approach, which is just, putting your link around in there, or maybe creating 1 or 2 blog posts, and that's it. You have to work at it, and you need to know what you're doing. There's a lot more that goes into it. There's SEO strategies. There's ad campaigns. There is, the science of email marketing. In order to be truly successful, you do have to know what you're doing. And I recently wrote a blog post about this, actually, on my Road to Making More Money website, and I'll link that below because I think it ties in perfectly with this, because what I talk about in that blog post is how to be successful by following the experts. Do what the experts do, and by aligning yourselves with people who have already gone down the path and have already found success with affiliate marketing, you can become successful that much faster. You're going to gain their knowledge. Yeah, you could probably learn it all on your own. It would take you a long time, and you'd probably make a lot of mistakes along the way. So what I love to do is learn from experts, learn from people who have already been down those paths, who have already made those mistakes and can tell you what not to do, but they can also tell you what to do. And so, yeah, in that, I talk about that, and I'll link that blog post below because I think it's a really good one. I just wrote it maybe a couple days ago. But like this says right here, surround yourself with successful people. There's several reasons for that. One, like I said, you're going to learn from them, but you're also going to have that mindset that they have, and you're going to grow that much faster. So that's it for today's video. I hope that was helpful. I hope you kind of got to see a little bit about how affiliate marketing works and a couple of examples. And don't forget, this works in any niche, not just the camping niche. Okay, that's just what I wanted to show you today via my website. So you can apply this to almost anything. And so I just want to thank you guys for watching. If you did like the video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next video.